To add in your own custom product, go to the top here and click on Add New Product. And we'll start by giving our product a name. I'm going to name mine Orange Tea, and then we'll scroll down to our product description. When it comes to writing your product description, it's totally up to you. Just make sure to write about the key selling points of your product. In my case, I just used ChatGPT to help me generate an easy to read description with some simple formatting to make it feel more polished. You can also add in images and other media here by clicking on the Add Media button. You can do this if you want, but I'm going to keep my visuals in the product image and gallery section over here. And we'll go ahead and do that now. To upload your product image, click on Set Product Image here. Then click on Select Files to upload your image. I'll upload this image of my orange t-shirt here. I'll simply double click on it to upload. That image will now be uploaded here. The image has been uploaded, so I'll click on it to select it. Then I'll go to the bottom right here and click on Set Product Image. If you have additional photos of your product that you want to include, click on Add Product Gallery Images. Then go to the top left here and click on Upload Files. Click on Select Files, and then upload your additional images here. I'll click on Open to upload the files. And if you see any other additional photos here that you haven't actually uploaded, these exist because of the demo products that we removed earlier. I'll give my additional photos a moment to upload. They've now been uploaded, so I'll select both of them here. And then I'll go to the bottom right and click on Add to Gallery. And now my product images have been uploaded to my product page. Now let's move on to the product data section below. This is where we can fill in some important information about the product. We'll first want to choose what kind of product this is. It's currently set to simple product, which we'll be going with for this particular product. But if I click into it here, you'll notice that there's also different types. We have group products, external/affiliate products, and variable products. In this tutorial, we'll be making a simple product, a grouped product, and a variable product. For now, let's keep it on simple product. You'll also notice that there's a toggle for virtual and downloadable products here as well, just in case you're selling any type of product like that. Next, let's set the price for our product. In my case, I'll set the price for $19.99. And if you're running a sale on the product, you can set the sale price below here as well. For example, I'll set it for $14.99. And you can also schedule out a sale in advance by clicking on the Schedule button here. And you'll notice here on the left-hand side, we have a few other tabs that we can utilize. First, let's click into the Inventory tab. Here you can manage the inventory of your product. If you're looking to track inventory through WooCommerce, then you're able to do that here. Next, let's click into the Shipping tab. Here you can set the product's weight and dimensions, and choose if you want to have a shipping class set or not. Next, we'll go to Linked Products. This is good for upselling or cross-selling related products. Then we'll go to Attributes. This is something that's more important for variable products, and we'll touch on this in just a few moments. And lastly, we have the Advanced tab. This allows you to create a custom purchase note, along with menu ordering and whether or not you want to enable reviews for your product. With that done, let's scroll down here and you'll notice the slug section. This is just the URL for the product page. WooCommerce usually just automatically generates this from your product title, so you don't have to touch it. I'll leave this alone for now. And then we have our product short description. Here you can summarize your product in 1 to 2 short sentences and it will show up at the top of the product page. Again, I'm just going to leave this empty. Before I scroll up to the top of the page to publish our product, let's take a look at these small product descriptions here on the right-hand side. The first one we have here is brands. This field shows up because of our template, and you can use it if you're organizing products by a specific brand, but it's totally optional. Then we have product tags. These are more flexible. You can add keywords or labels here. For example, I could add orange or t-shirt as a product tag to help it be found easier on my website. And then lastly, we have our product categories. These are kind of like departments in a store. In my case, since I'm creating a clothing store, I could have a t-shirt category, a hoodie category, or an accessories category. This just helps organize your products and makes browsing easier for your customers. Now let's scroll all the way up to the top here and begin publishing our new product. If you'd like to, you can save it as a draft if you want to work on it later. You can click on Preview to preview how the product is going to look, but in our case, let's just click on Publish. Now on the left-hand side, let's go back to All Products. And here you'll see that my orange t-shirt product was successfully published.